So I dug up these potato beds, and here's the results of the two raised beds here that were all grown up in weeds. The potatoes look like they were pretty much dead, so I just went ahead and dug them up. They're small, but there's a little bit of something to eat there. But then these two mulch beds, I haven't dug that one yet, but in just this one here I got all these. So out of this one mulched raised bed I got, there's definitely several times as much potato there as I got out of the other two. There's a nice big one there. But all those came out of that one tractor tire raised bed that was mulched. So, if you want a good potato crop, I would mulching them to keep all the other weeds down. Man, look at that. Boy. Mulching's the way to go. I won't even waste time anymore trying to raise potatoes without mulching them any other way. It looks like it's just a waste of time. Here's another one. Little bitty one, another one. About to go into another plant right there. So, that's probably a 5-pound sack of potatoes or more. I think I planted these somewhere in mid-March. I planted all these. So, it's just been so rainy this year. I've not even watered these even once. All I did was plant them and mulch these two and let those ones go. And there's enough potatoes here for probably a few meals anyway. There's another little one. From now on, I'll be mulching all my potatoes with straw, for sure.